guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this really cool wave intro text effect on CapCut PC. So add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word introduction. You can type in anything you want. Then you're also going to select again any font that you want for this. I'm just going to select this one. And I'm also going to scroll down and I'm going to add in glow. I'm going to add this one. Adjust the intensity, but add in a lot of the range one. Go to effects and search for ripple distortion. And you're going to just add that. It's under, hold on if you can't find it. It's under distortion here. So let's add that on top, and you can adjust the size, the speed, and whatnot on it. I'm also going to right click, create compound clip, go to animation, and you can also add in like this wave slide for it if you'd like to, or the slide wave one. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!